do, there will be azab. If you will left, there will be sawab from God. You can give any example for haram? Do you have any example for haram? इससे पूछो बच्चे.
Give us an example for haram.
Which means haram?
Camel.
हाँ. अगर जो चीज हलाल नहीं है अगर उसे हम खाएंगे, if you will eat something that's not halal, there will be azab from God. Yes? If you will left, there will be sawab. Yani haram is opposite of wajib. After two things, yani mustahab and makruh. What is mustahab? What is makruh? Mustahab, if you will do that work, there will be sawab from God. If you will not do, there is no sawab, there is no azab. In positive, there is sawab. If you will left, no sawab, no azab. Can you tell me an example? Huh?
Charity. दूसरे बंद करना.
हाँ. Very good. Charity. If you will give, there will be sawab. If you will not give, there is no sawab. Salatul Layl, Namaz-e-Shab, Salatul Layl. If you will do it, there will be sawab. Azan, Iqamat is not wajib. Azan and Iqamat, Azan. If you will tell Azan, there will be sawab. If you will left, there is no sawab, no azab.
Excuse me? Tasbih Islam was haram.
हाँ, तस्बीह से माशाल्लाह ठीक है. अच्छी तस्बीह. If you will read tasbih after namaz, there will be sawab, more sawab. If you will left, no sawab, no azab. Like namaz ke there is azab. Makruh is opposite of mustahab. Like haram is opposite of wajib, makruh is opposite of mustahab. Mustahab and sunnat is same thing. Mustahab and sunnat, not mustahib. M-U-S-T-A-H-I-B, no, A-B, not mustahib. Mustahab, it is a pronunciation. It talaffuz ka hi hai. Mustahab, opposite of makruh. Makruh, if you will do that work, there will be
No sawab.
if you will do makruh, definition of makruh, if you will do that work, sawab and azab, it is opposite of mustahab.
No sir.
Huh? Bachon? If you will do, there is no sawab. Or if you will left,
No azab.
नहीं बच्चों से पूछ. If you will left, if you will not do, no guna. Yes, very good. No azab. Yes. Can you give any example? मुश्किल होगी बेटे. मकरूह. हाँ, yes. Huh?
You should know it. You eat so many things every day.
Shrimps. हाँ. ये
Yeah.
मुझे बच्चियाँ पूछे उनसे क्या?
Yeah. Any example makruh? What? खड़े होके कंघी करना.
हाँ, मतलब से खड़े होकर नहीं करना. अगर बैठ, if you will sit, there will be sawab. If you will not sit, no sawab, no azab.
Mashallah, that's good.
Yes? हाँ, बताओ क्या? श्रिम्प बोलते हैं ना? शर्म यानी वो झींगा खाना. If you will eat, there is no sawab, no azab. If you will left, it is not better according to Sharia. There will be sawab. So 4 kinds हैं: wajib, haram, mustahab and makruh. Yes? So sawab and azab is linked only from 4 kinds: wajib, haram, mustahab and makruh. Is 5th mubah. 5th mubah. What is mubah? You know? No? You know mubah? वजू. इनको लोग पुकारते हैं, तुमने वजू पुकार रहे हैं. मुबाह.
This is the last one.
This is last one of mubah. नहीं, if you will left, if you will do, all is equal. There is no sawab and no azab.
It's allowed. It's up to you.
It is allowed. And if you will do, it is better. If you will not do, no sawab, no azab. All is equal. All is equal. It is what? Mubah, yes. Good. Mubah. Mubah means doing and lefting, or if you will do, if you will left, all is equal. Can you take an example? Mubah? All work is mubah. They are playing badminton, tennis, cricket, football, volleyball. Yes?
Actually,
All is mubah.
most of the things are mubah.
There is no sawab and azab, all is mubah. If that will be linked from sawab and azab, that's not mubah. If there is no sawab and azab, all work, all action is mubah, all movement is mubah for you. The video is, Dr. Sahib is making it is video. Mubah, not. Yeah? क्या पूछे म्यूजिक
म्यूजिक के लिए
म्यूजिक से बहुत पूछते हैं
हमारे बहुत बार क्वेश्चन आएगा बार बार आएगा
हाँ म्यूजिक बहुत नहीं म्यूजिक there is some kinds of music, many kinds of music. There's many kinds of music. Some music is halal, some is haram. Music, there's many kinds of music. Some is halal, some is haram. Some is mubah. Yes? You have 5 kinds. Wajib, haram, mustahab, makruh, mubah. At mubah come there. अरे एक 5 हो गया. Maybe sawab in mubah also. It is important. It is important. Maybe sawab in mubah also. Yeah. Maybe sawab in mubah. ये तो बड़ों के लिए, छोटों के लिए नहीं है वैसे. In बच्चे, in mubah, but in mubah you are doing a mubah. There is no sawab. If your niyat, your intention will be guna, that mubah work will be guna and azab. If your intention is for sawab, that mubah work will be sawab. For example, you are taking a TV from a shop, a shopping center, you are taking a TV, a VCR. It is haram? बच्चों से haram? वाजिब? मुस्तहब? makruh? A VCR and TV you are taking from a shop, it is mubah?
what niyat you're taking
नहीं, it is mubah. मतलब तो मुबाह ऐसे ही करें, ठीक है. If you are taking that TV and VCR के I will look dance and some things and films and other guna program that you're taking off your TV and VCR, that mubah work will be guna in haram. If you are taking TV, I will learn Islamic knowledge, I will look majlis, I will take or halal, yeah, speech of Maulanas and something. That mubah work will be very sawab, yes. Mubah, you can convert your intention in mubah work and mubah action, in mubah movement for sawab and azab. It is on your things. Complete, and I will hear after 1 week all from mukallaf to mubah.
Subhanallah.
second and fourth question
मैं क्वेश्चन नहीं
कोई बात
जो अंगूठी पहने फिंगर
which finger
in all way fingers, in all 10 fingers, all 20 fingers, यानी पैर और हाथ सब में. You can wear ring in all fingers. In बाहर भी बहुत से लोग पहनते हैं भाई. आपको पता नहीं पैर में पहनी जाती है। तो इन यू कैन use all your fingers, but there is sunnah in 2 fingers, sawab in these 2 fingers. Yes. In 2 fingers there is sawab. All is mubah. If there is a finger, written on that finger name of Masumeen and name of Allah, you cannot wear in left hand. If you will wear in left hand, safety is wajib for you from najasa and something. It is mustahab in 2 fingers and mubah in all fingers. 20 and 21 भी हो जाती किसी
except for those times whether you're busy taharat and najasa.
हाँ, वो तो सिर्फ उसके लिए इस पर नाम लिखा हो.
Okay.
If there is written name of the Masumeen and Allah and Anbiya, तो उसका हुक्म अलग हो जाता है. हो गया सवाल पे जवाब? हाँ, अगर औरत के लिए कोई हरज नहीं है. अगर औरत जिन्नत के लिए पहने तो उसको मकरूह नहीं पहनना. For women, women can wear fingers in any finger rings for zinat, for that. आंखों में यहाँ अफीफ के लिए खाली सवाब. और कौन सा? ठीक है, हो गया जवाब इसका ना. ऑल्टरनेटिव दूसरा क्या है? इस परफ्यूम हराम नहीं बल्कि मुस्तहब है. नमाज में उसके लिए मुस्तहब है. बस इट इज अनदर क्वेश्चन कि परफ्यूम इज नजिस और नॉट नजिस. यूजिंग ऑफ परफ्यूम इज नॉट हराम. यूजिंग फॉर मुस्तहब फॉर नमाज इन नमाज and roza also, and in hadith perfume is a gift of saim, and for faster यानी fasting करा तो रोजा रख रहा है तो मुस्तहब सुन्नत है. मगर there is alcohol, that alcohol is पाक, यानी all perfume you can use is not, that's not najis. अभी जो इस्तेमाल हो रहा है उसको आप इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं according to your मुकल्लद फतवा ऑफ योर आलम एंड बच्चा. तीसरा सवाल क्या है? ट्रांसपेरेंट मेकअप. इज ट्रांसपेरेंट मेकअप अलाउड इन इस्लाम?
जो नजर नहीं आए मेकअप नहीं आए यानी
हाँ सब मेकअप, ऑल मेकअप इज अलाउड. इस्लाम ने किसी मेकअप से नहीं रोका है. ऑल मेकअप, ऑल जीनत. मेकअप का सही तर्जुमा होता है जीनत. Any all makeup and all any powder, cream, all is jaiz, but that not should be for na-mahram. For na-mahram. If that is najis, and using of najis is not also haram. For example, perfume is najis, you can use. For example, nail polish is najis, you can use. There is nothing. For namaz should be removed. For namaz you should be tahir, pak. Not any time is not necessary, you should be pak. For namaz, taharat is condition. Taharat yani pak is condition for namaz, not any time. ठीक है, all makeup you can do. हाँ? ये बात तो है. खुदा के लिए जल्ल जलालुहु है.
अल्लाहु जल्ल जलालुहु.
करें इंशाल्लाह.
Yeah.